Hello guys. According to a survey, 70% of all the content available on YouTube is faceless. Yes, that is correct. Only 30% of the content is like people are coming in front of camera. Otherwise, 70% of content available on YouTube is faceless. So, I am going to share three important factors of a faceless channel. The number one factor is if you are a camera shy, you don't want to reveal your face in front of camera, then faceless channel is best for you. Number two, there is no requirement of high tech gadgets to create a faceless channel. You just need to start with your mobile phone and your laptop. Number three, you don't require any hi fi editing skills or some professional video editing skills to start a faceless YouTube channel. Anyone in the world can start a faceless YouTube channel. Like if you are a student in any school or college, if you are a job guy, if you are a businessman, if you are a freelancer, or if you are a housewife, you can start your own YouTube faceless channel right from your mobile phone. Yeah, that is so simple to start a faceless channel, guys. So many people around the world are really confused. Like they ask YouTubers who can start a faceless channel. So the answer is simple. If you are currently using YouTube for entertainment purpose on your mobile phone or on your laptop or your desktop or your tablet, then you can start a YouTube faceless channel. Yes, that's true. As I have mentioned in previous lecture that you don't require any high-tech gadgets to start a faceless channel. You just need proper guidance and little bit creativity to start a faceless channel. That's it. Hello guys. In this lecture, I am going to share types of faceless channels. Yeah, there are so many types of faceless channels currently available on YouTube, but I have compiled these so many types of faceless channels into three important categories. Number one is stock images plus background music. Stock images means free images you are picking from websites which are providing free images, so you can use those images in your video. Number 2 is stock videos plus background music. Number 3, combination of stock images plus videos plus your voiceover. Yes, you're right. These are three important categories of a faceless channels. You can start working on any desired category you want. In upcoming lectures, I'm going to share some important things regarding these topics and how you can use stock images, stock videos, from where you can pick good background music, how you can give your voiceover in a proper way, how you can write script, and much more. Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to discuss about earnings from a YouTube faceless channel. Yes, I am going to give you a rough idea how much money you can generate from a faceless channel on YouTube. If you are getting $2 RPM on YouTube and getting 50,000 views weekly, then you will generate $100 every week. And if you calculate this earning on monthly basis, then it's $400 per month using free stock images and videos and background music. And if you are combining all these things, then you can generate good amount of money. If you will receive or get more views on your videos and channel, then you can simply calculate the math. Hello guys, in this lecture I am going to share required and necessary tools and applications to start a faceless channel. So let's get started. If you are planning to start a YouTube faceless channel on your mobile phone, then here are some necessary tools and equipment you are going to require. The first one is Canva application. Canva application is available for both Android and iOS operating system. We are going to use Canva application for designing thumbnails for our YouTube videos. The second one is Lexis or Audacity apps. They are also available for both Android and iOS operating system. It is basically for recording your own voice and making some changes in your voice. Third application is KineMaster. KineMaster is a very powerful application for video editing purpose. You don't require any high-tech video editing skills, as I have already mentioned in previous lecture. So you can simply download KineMaster on your mobile phone, and that's it. The fourth one is your hardware equipment. It's Boya by M1 mic. If you are planning to start a faceless channel with the combination of stock images, stock videos, and your own voice, then you are going to require a external mic, so the users can experience good sound quality from your side. So for that purpose, you are going to require this Boya by M1 mic, which is very basic voiceover mic, and it is available on Amazon, and it's gonna cost you like $10, and that's it. If you are planning to start a YouTube faceless channel on your laptop or tablet or iPad or your desktop, then these are some basic required tools that you are going to need to create your faceless videos. The number one is canva.com. Canva.com is available online. You can use it in any browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. Here you can design beautiful and attractive thumbnails for your videos. Second one is you are going to required to record your voice online. For this thing, you can simply use any online voice recorder website. They are uh, actually free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to them. Just go to google.com and search for record voice online, and you will find lots of websites available online. And I will show you a website name which is called online-voice-recorder.com, which is very good for recording voices. The third one is you can use any video editing software like Filmora for video editing purpose, and you can simply edit your videos. If you are using Windows, then I recommend you for Filmora, and if you are on MacBook, then I recommend you to use iMovies itself. And the last part is, if you are going to give voiceover, then Boya by M1 mic is very basic voiceover recording mic, which you can find on amazon.com, and it will cost you like $10 or something, and it will provide you a very good voiceover for your YouTube faceless videos. So that's it. You just require these tools and applications to start a faceless YouTube channel. Hello guys, my name is Firoz Ahmad, and in this course I am going to share 10 faceless channel ideas with you. Thousands of people are already running faceless channel on YouTube and generating good amount of money. I am going to reveal these channel links and their stats with you. After a lot of research and development, I am finally making this course to share my knowledge with all of you. Let me show you how I have categorized these 10 faceless channels. As you can see different topics on my computer screen. Hope to see you in my course family very soon. Explain every single detail about these topics. I have categorized top 10 faceless channel ideas here in this course, and in this course I am going to discuss all the details about animal videos, fact videos, quotes channels, motivational channel, gaming channel, famous antiques like paintings, diamonds, cars, bikes, etc., fan club videos, photography, Amazon and Flipkart product reviews, storytelling, etc. So I'm going to give you every single detail of these topics, which is a really big analysis for me, and after a lot of research and development I am finally making this course to share my knowledge with all of you. I hope you are going to enjoy this course because it's a unique course which is going to be available very soon on Udemy. So hope to see you in my course family very soon, guys.